is Christine. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be taking you back to my kitchen. Well, a part of it, okay? I'm gonna take you back to my kitchen and show you how you can make your own hot sauce at home. Well, the first time I took you all to my kitchen was for my prank, the prank I have on my channel, which is like, it's in Creole. So if you speak Creole, you better go ahead and check it out because it's funny. And if you don't speak Creole, there's something more to learn in this year. Go ahead and learn Creole, check the video out because I have to tell you, it's hilarious. And it's for your education because you're learning a new language. Who knows what you're gonna learn in the future? Go ahead and learn it and then, check the video out. So what you're gonna be needed for this project today, for this tutorial today, obviously the peppers, onion, garlic, vinegar, and salt. What you do, you go ahead and take your peppers, clean them, then chop the head, cut them into pieces, take your bowler, add the vinegar, put the vinegar in the bowler, put the peppers in the bowler, then have them cooked for 5 minutes. Then you go ahead and take your garlic and onion, chop them into pieces, put them in the blender with the peppers, and blend the soul out of it. You blend the soul out of it. Then, as we're looking for this sweetness, deliciousness, spiciness from the vinegar, we'll go ahead and add the vinegar, the one that we had in the boiler cooked. Add the vinegar with a teaspoon of salt, and we blend it again. So, then you go ahead and take your strainer, strain the spirit out of this sauce, okay? Then take your container, pour it in the container, we are good to go. This is the simplest, quickest way of making hot sauce. If you go ahead and not use any proportions like me, you will wind up with something quite tasty. There is not much for you to screw up, okay? You can't screw it up. You can't screw it up, okay? The process is that simple. Use fresh, spicy chilies straight from the supermarket. Don't tell. And enough vinegar, and you will create a condiment that will set your mouth on fire. It's very easy. Yes, as you can see, it was fast, okay? So if you like the video, guys, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, share with your friends, and go ahead and enjoy it, okay? Because it's amazing. It's amazing. It's the blended version, as I say. Thank you again for watching the video, and see you in the next one.